The ETSrail service linking Kuala Lumpur and Johor Bahru has officially launched. The fare ranges roughly from 80 ringgit to 90 ringgit one way and is not fixed. The journey from Johor Bahru to Kuala Lumpur takes approximately 4 hours and 20 minutes. The Johor Bahru-Kuala Lumpur route operates twice a day in each direction, offering a total of 4 daily services. From Johor Bahru, trains leave at 8:40 a.m. and 4:20 p.m., while Kuala Lumpur departures are at 7:45 a.m. and 5:35 p.m. If you'd like to book a ticket, just search for KTMB on Google and open the official KTMB site. Next, click on Kids Ticketing and select your departure and arrival stations. For Johor Bahru, choose JB Central, and for Kuala Lumpur, choose KL Central. After that, choose your travel date and the number of passengers, and click Search to continue. Finally, log in and proceed with the payment to complete your booking. You can also easily book your tickets through the KTMB mobile app. First, download the KTMB app and sign up using the method that's most convenient for you. Once you fill in your personal details, your registration will be complete. After completing your registration, select your departure and destination stations. Then, please select the number of passengers and your preferred travel date. Then, select your preferred seat and enter your personal information. After entering your personal details, proceed with the payment to complete your booking. By applying the current promo code, you can get 30% off your fare.